Hi, welcome to Wingops tutorial on how to add custom data fields. While Wingops provides a great set of standard fields, this feature gives the flexibility to add the exact custom information your operation needs. To begin, navigate to the Settings tab and select Data Fields from the left-hand menu. Here, you can create custom fields across a variety of categories. This includes aircraft tabs, work orders, inventory parts like materials, components, and tools, as well as staff records, such as details, logbooks, certificates, and trainings. Adding a new field is a quick and easy process that works the same across all categories. Simply click the plus custom field button, give it a name, and choose your data type, such as text, number, date, and more. Any custom field can be marked as mandatory, which requires completion before a record can be saved. All mandatory fields will be marked with a red asterisk for easy reference. Let's look at a few examples of how different data types appear in the system. For aircraft, let's add a multiple options field for recording their operations type. For tech logs, you can now add different fields specifically for flight or maintenance entries. For instance, on flight type tech logs, we have previously added an audited field using the switch data type. Now, let's add a field to score flights. For this, we will choose the single option type and create options from 1 to 5. For work orders, let's create a new field to reference a customer work order and keep the data type as text. If you ever need to make adjustments, you can easily rename a field hovering over the Actions menu and clicking the Edit button, or remove it entirely with the Delete button. Don't forget to press Save Settings in the end. Now, if we navigate to our aircraft profile, you will see the new custom field is immediately available for entry. Custom fields added to your tables can also be filtered, making data management and reporting much easier. Finally, if you had existing custom fields created before this system update, rest assured they have been migrated automatically. Thank you for watching.